Hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jaclyn. Today I filmed this really easy smoky eye, so I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this look. Starting off, I primed my eyelids and then I took this Wet n Wild brush to blend that out. I'm using a transition shade in the Winky Luxe palette, and I'm taking this blending brush from Wet n Wild as well, and I'm just starting that off in my crease as my base. This is just going to set the tone for the other shades that I'll be adding on top and blending. I'm using my Morphe Jaclyn Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm starting off with the shade Rush. And again, with the same Wet n Wild blending brush, I'm just adding that into the crease. To deepen the crease, I'm going to be taking the shade Alert and Mugshot with this Morphe blending brush. This is just going to give the brown a really pretty color to blend into. These type of looks are my favorite. They're just so sexy and pretty. On the lid, I'm going to be packing on Secret. And I'm just using a Morphe shader brush. You're going to want to pack the brown on, blend it out, pack it back on, because for some reason all the browns that I've tried in any palette that I've tried, when you blend it out in the crease, it tends to get kind of blotchy. So you just want to blend out, pack on, blend out, and pack back on to cover up the blotchy spots. And I do like to take Mugshot and just help blend out that brown. On the lower lash line, I'm going to use this angled Morphe brush. And again, just using the shade Secret. Clean the outer edges of the eye with this concealer brush. I didn't add any new concealer, it's just old concealer that was on there from before. Now I'm prepping my lashes for falsies with mascara. These lashes that I'm applying were so bomb. I repurchased them, and for some reason they were not the same. They were very straight and not as curled as these first pair. I don't know what happened. I thought I found the ones, but I guess not. I'm still on the hunt. Now I'm going to bronze up my face, and I'm using this BH Cosmetics bronzer. I'm also using it to contour my nose. And then of course, you're gonna use it on your cheeks to chisel out the cheeks, and then the forehead, chin. I'm adding a little bit of blush. And then I'm going to clean all this up with a makeup sponge, or makeup wedge, I'm sorry. This is my favorite part. It's so relaxing to me to watch anybody clean up their contour. These wedges just give you the most precise application when it comes to this. So these are my favorite to use. For my lips, I'm using the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. And then on top of that, I'm going to use my favorite liquid lipstick. And this is the Beauty Creations Latte liquid lipstick. It's just a perfect nude. I love it so much. It goes with any makeup look. I don't see myself changing it anytime soon. Anytime I try a different lip shade, I feel so weird. I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love how even the setting mist is and how perfect it sprays out. And then for highlight, I'm using the MAC Whisper of Guilt highlight, and I'm going to add that into my tear duct, brow bone, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. I haven't been doing cheek highlight for some reason, but I think I want to start trying it again, just to see how I feel. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I promise to try to get back at doing what I love. This is something that I've always wanted to do and something that I just enjoy. I just have to literally get it together and do what I love. Thank you all so much for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you in my next video.